Everybody, this is your instructor, and today I want to give you a brief tutorial on how to use Desmos to do your practice assessment on slope-intercept form to determine if the slope is positive or negative. Let's take a look how that's going to be done using Desmos. Once you're on the Unit 3, you'll be asked to do a Desmos assessment. You're going to click on the assessment, and it's going to take you to a Google form. Okay? Once it loads, it's going to ask you for a couple things, your name, and then you'll find your questions, right? So it'll ask you if the slope is positive or negative. So how do we determine if the slope is positive or negative? Well, there's the way that I showed you on the notes, and there's a way we can do it through this video. So the best way to do it, to copy an equation like this, you're going to go to your Desmos calculator, click on graphing calculator, and you're going to copy and paste this on here. And then you can see that it automatically graphs my line for me, and it's going from the bottom left all the way to the top right. Now what does that mean? It means my slope is positive. Okay, so this one actually. So that's what I want you to do. Okay, you're going to copy and paste the question, right? We'll do one more. Going to copy, go to my calculator. I can clear it by clicking the X, and then I can copy and paste it, and then again another positive slope. Okay, so hopefully that video helps. Use Desmos. You can finish this quiz relatively fast. There's only about 10 questions, so everybody should be getting a passing grade, meaning an A+. So get to it, guys, and I'll see you next time.